Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome to our channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, so today I want to tell us one secret. Yes, secret that will change your life forever. See, there are so many spiritual secrets, but we make them available to you one after the other. Then you select the one that you feel will work better for you. Okay, so I have come to share the secret of salt. Yes, are you always broke? We talk about salt, being a strong spiritual cleanser. Yes, like now, you want to use something. Let's say, for example, you want to use this glass cup now. You want to use this glass cup for prayer. You are expected to clean it because you don't know what and what must have touched this or entered inside. You understand, some impurities. So if you want to purify something, physical object like this, for spiritual prayer, you can use salt to do it. Yes, but if you go to other people that uses strange powers, they use sage, they call it sage, whatever it is, with smoke, they light it and pass it over. That is witchcraft. Okay, but if you want to work with natural powers, the power that nothing can spoil, then use salt. Salt is stronger. Yes. See, when I gave the anti-bullet protection powder to that guy and they shoot at him, they were shooting him, he didn't enter. They said, the guy carrying the gun because he knows how to spoil, he has all the knowledge of how to spoil powers, like if you have some gun protection, native doctor power in your body, somebody else can spoil it. But if you are carrying natural one, nobody can spoil it. That is one thing that a lot of people will not tell you. So the guy said, hey, this and that, just pass the gun under his leg, do this and do that, dance up and down, open the fire again. And yet, he did not enter. He left the gun, they left the knife, everything, and started running for their lives. The guy is just an ordinary guy. Yes, so we are telling you about natural thing. We know what you are saying, okay? So that you take it, you leave it, it's okay. All right, but I used to tell us time will come, and that time is now, when spirituality will become physicality. Yes, so if you run to the extreme end, you get yourself entangled. So make sure you believe in God and put your faith in God, and whatever prayer that you pray, there will be an express answer. So many testimonies are coming in already. So how do you use this salt? Okay, just this salt is all you need. This salt to break the power of poverty in your life. This one is one of the simplest way, because I keep on thinking and looking for extra simple things that you can actually use to help yourself. So you are suffering from poverty. Poverty can be in different formats. We have poverty of knowledge, poverty of ideas, poverty of money, poverty of manners. Yes, we have good manner, bad manners. If somebody who has bad manner, that is mannerless, is suffering from poverty of that thing. So what kind of poverty are you suffering from? But in this particular context, we are talking about financial poverty. How do you soften this from your life? Yes, you're going to use salt. How do you use this salt? Because I know at this junction, some people must have left on, some people are still around. Thank you for those that are still around. Yes. See, just get yourself, you can use, if you have a very strong tissue paper. This is a tissue paper, right? But you can use white hanky, like white cloth, white hanky. Yes, white hanky. You can just put the salt inside. Okay, you just take salt like this, put it in this. But I will not encourage people to use tissue. Do you know why? Because tissue is not strong. Tissue can tear, tissue can burst. But even if it bursts, it's still okay. All right? That something must be white. Or you can use a sachet, like all these portable, smallish kind of bag, very fancy, small something, transparent. You can just put a small, like a teaspoon of salt inside. When you put it inside, like this one now, you tie it, okay? You tie it in such a way that it will not pour away. See, this one is tied. You can see tissue can tear, but if it is a white cloth, like hanky, white hanky, it will not tear. So you just get this as small as this. Okay, this is salt. Put it inside your handbag or in your briefcase if you are a man. If you are a wife, you're watching this, you can do this for your husband. Okay, you can do this for him. Just put a small salt. You can put it in a small nylon or something transparent. Just tie it, very small, tiny, insignificant. Put it in his briefcase or in his. Can he enter his wallet? It depends if it can enter his wallet or something like that. Do it for him. Men are very busy, and you are the prophetess of your husband. Yes, even if your husband is a pastor, you are the prophetess in the house. Yes, while men are sleeping, women are on their feet, they are on their knees praying. If you have not gotten to that level yet, grow. You have to rise. The battle of life is not for the weak. You don't give up. It is the situation that will give up on you. Your enemies, they will give up on you. Your enemies, they will be frustrated. Yes. When you put this in your bag or in your wallet, yes, in your briefcase, or even in your place of work, inside your drawer, you can just open your drawer, put this one there. Let it just be there. You're changing your bag, you can transfer it. See, anything called money will not dry from your life. See, I'm not talking about account. I'm not talking about your pocket. I'm not talking about your physical business that you are seeing. I'm talking about your life, your destiny. Money, finance will not dry out of your life. See, when they say there is a casting down, you shall say there is a lifting up, because that is the word of God concerning you. You that you are looking at me right now. Yes. The word of God concerning you is that there is a lifting up. The economy of your nation, the policy of your country where you are will not have dominion over you, over your existence, over your survival. Yes. So, do this. Just a salt, just a teaspoon of salt is all you need. A teaspoon of salt and a white hanky, just tie it, or tissue like this one, and this one can stay in my bag. Yes, this one can stay. You see, because you fold the other one together with it, it can actually stay. Okay, and then you can decide to leave it there permanently, or you can be renewing it, as in you can remove this one maybe after 10 days or after 9 days. Yes, after 9 days, or maybe after 3 weeks, you can remove it, put another one. Yes, after 9 days or after 3 weeks, you can remove it, put another one, remove it, put another one, and you can just leave this one there, forget about it. See, I don't know how to explain this to you, but it works. Yes, this is magical. It's a miracle. It works. It releases money. Even if, forget the fact that you are earning salary, you're a salary earner. Don't put your mind on your salary. God will bless you. He will prosper you. From the four corners of the earth, breakthrough will locate you. Yes. And your enemy will not know how and why. Yes. They will be surprised, they will be amazed. Money will start flowing into your life. And money will come and actually stay. Yes, see, at times you can make money and yet it will not stay. Problem will come, no matter how huge the money is, it will consume the money and start asking for more. You see, somebody will have 10 houses, you sell everything. Or sell 5 and remaining just 3 or 4 or 5. You have 5 houses, you sell everything. The one that are inside is under mortgage. Why? Because the enemy is pointing their finger at you. So, this will silence, will neutralize the power of the enemy over you. Okay? So, guys, let's try this. I don't want this to be too longer than this, but please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to leave your comment, your question at the comment section, and I will respond to you. Okay? And please, if you want to communicate me or you want to talk to me, you can use this my number on the screen. Just send your request there and I'll be contacted. Okay, I offer consultation services also in case you see me for the first time. All right, so but I charge fee for it too. So make you no cost correct, you know that. All right, see you guys in our next video. Okay, thank you, bye.